People are getting alcohol on cruises without buying a drink package. And no, they're not getting caught. Anyway, in this video, I'm breaking down the ways to get drinks on board your cruise without buying the drink package. Let's get into it. So how do you get drinks on board without buying the drink package? What do you think? Well, that's a great question because cruise drink packages can get expensive very fast, often about $60 to $100 average per day. The good news, there are legit ways to avoid buying one without breaking the rules or getting your liquor confiscated. Here are the smartest and safest ways to get around buying a drink package. First, bring your allowed alcohol. It's the easiest hack. Most cruise lines let you bring limited alcohol on board legally. Typically, 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult, 750 milliliters on embarkation day. Some lines, like Virgin Voyages, allow 2 bottles per cabin. A tip I can give you is drink it in your cabin. There'll be no extra cost. You take it to dinner, they'll charge you a small cork fee of about $15 to $25. Number 2, bring your own non-alcoholic drinks. Many lines allow up to 12 cans, cartons, soda juice, etc. Why it matters? You can mix your own drinks in your room. It saves you from buying soda or juice packages. Number 3, pay as you go. Best for casual drinkers. Drink packages only make sense if you're drinking 5 to 8 plus drinks per day. For example, Carnival caps you at 15 drinks per day anyway. So if you only drink 2 to 4 drinks a day, you'll lose money on a package. Here's a strategy. Stick to happy hour or a couple drinks at night, or just order cheaper drinks like beer, wine versus premium cocktails. A sister like me need an old fashioned. Okay. Number 4, get free drinks. Yes, really. There are legit ways to score free drinks on board. I know I do. Events, art auctions, tastings, they give you free samples. Or do like me, casino players. We get complimentary drinks all the time while you're playing the casino. And the loyalty program also offer perks. Speaking of complimentary perks, do you want to know more details on how to get complimentary drinks on every cruise for as long as you cruise, for you and sometimes even your companion? Like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And look out for my next video. I'll share that information with you. Number 5, buy bottles instead of individual drinks. Many packages give only discounts on bottles anyway. Buying a bottle of wine can be cheaper than multiple glasses. And you can also split it with your group. Major savings. Okay? Number 6, drink heavy import. It's an underrated move, believe it or not. Drinks are often way cheaper off the ship. No package needed. The strategy is pre-game at the beach bars or during your excursions, then come back to the ship already cruise happy. That's a good tip right there. Number 7, try to book all-inclusive cruise deals. Sometimes drink packages are bundled in certain promotions at even certain cruise lines. Some of the promotions include your drinks, Wi-Fi, and this is often cheaper than buying a package separately. Tip number 8, know what not to do. Sneak in alcohol. Yes, I know it's high risk. Cruise lines can see all of this and they can confiscate your liquor, and it really is not worth ruining your trip because you're sneaking on alcohol. Okay, they have ways of finding out. So now that you know what options you have, what will you do to get drinks on board without buying a drink package? Let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want to know how to drink and cruise for the low or for free, subscribe and keep those notifications on for my next video. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't be trash. Live your best life. Cheers.